Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Novia Angger Krisnanti. I will present our research paper about agribusiness students' perceptions and attitudes towards the online sales of farm products. The first is introduction. Indonesia has entered an all-digital era, not only education and information technology, but also in the process of marketing its main promotion. Promotions in various fields began to use digital technology to enlarge the market as well as agriculture. Now, agricultural products have been widely sold with online system, but there are still many people who are less interested in the online sale of agricultural products. In this study, I will look at how agribusiness students perceive an attitude about the online sale of agricultural products. The literature review, the first is book Digital Marketing by Gunawan Sakti about online advertising, and then book of IPB Press Digital Marketing about marketing and digital age, and then Martowardojo also in book IPB Press Digital Marketing about digital revolution, and then the class according to Sahja in the Journal of Economic entitled New Paradigm Marketing of Agribusiness-Based Agricultural Product in Riau Region. Marketing in agricultural activities has a dual role. The first role is price, and then the second is market. And according to Shahza, remain less in terms of marketing, so that the marketing subsystem becomes the weakness and company is built in the agribusiness system. Next, this is my method. This research use quantitative methods, and the participants were 50 agribusiness students consisting of UMY, UGM, and UJB students, and the questionnaires consist of 15 questions that adopt Likert scale, a Likert-Stomow scale, 3-point scales, 4-point scales, and 5-point scales. The time of spread of questionnaires for 2 weeks and processed and analyzed. And then the result, the result of perception of agribusiness students towards online self-farm product. In accordance with the data, present that there are 44 students who have studied agriculture marketing and 6 not yet out of total of 50 students. Interns related to online self-include in agricultural marketing, 49 of agribusiness students said yes to the answer, and while only 1 said no. And then the next, the result about perception of success rate of online sales of agricultural products. The most dominant agribusiness students state that the online sales of agricultural products were successful at 35 people or 70%. And the 9 respondents said that online sales of agricultural products were less successful, and then 5 others said that online sales of agricultural products were very successful. And then here is recapitulation of the names of Oh, sorry. Here are the results of recapitulation of the success rate sales targets of agricultural product according to agribusiness student. The 12 of them state that online sales of agriculture product were very target, and then 25 of them all said they were on target, and uh, 13 said that were not on target. And then next, the perception about knowledge of the type of e-commerce of agricultural product. The recapitulation of the names of online companies that agribusiness student now. There are 31 people now. Tani Hub as one of the most known. And then the e-commerce online sales of agricultural product and e-commerce, namely grocery Segari and 5 kilo. This is the unknown e-commerce because there is only one person who knows it. And then the next, the perception about level of satisfaction with e-commerce. Agribusiness students consider that the online sales of agricultural product through e-commerce have very satisfying and less satisfactory, dominated by the level of satisfaction that is 31 people and feel satisfied 12 people, while there are students who judge that is the less satisfactory, which is 7 people. And then the results of recapitulation from respondent about brand interest in the world of online sales and of agricultural product is 31 people express satisfaction and interest in repeating shop in e-commerce agricultural product. And 13 people were hesitant and 6 people were not interested. And then the result about attitude of agribusiness student, interest into the world of buying and selling agribusiness product. 35 of them are interested in joining online sales of agricultural products and 5 others are not interested. And 10 agribusiness students have plunged into the world of online buying and selling agricultural product. And then the experience of agribusiness student doing online buying and selling agricultural product. There are 19 people who sometimes make transaction, but also 19 others never transaction online. And then 10 people who have once buying and selling, and one always buying and selling, and one often buying and selling online agricultural product. And then the last of the overall respondent, there are only 5 respondents who have not contributed the online sales of agricultural product, while others have contributed a lot and have a high passion in agricultural sales. And then agribusiness students give a lot of advice for the continuation of the online sales agricultural product. There are only 3 people who do not give advice. And then the discussion. After looking at the result, the perception of agribusiness student to the online sales of agricultural product is very visible as evidence. Agribusiness students also access that online sales of agricultural product are successful, targeting the community, and e-commerce provides a very satisfactory service. So they want to make transaction again. There are 2 similar research showing that agribusiness students sometimes make online transaction of agricultural product, but on the other hand, the same things also happens. Students never buy and sell online. This is because the level of trust of agribusiness student is not yet high, and there are still many who choose to shop offline in the market of supermarket. There is small part of agribusiness student who always conduct online taxation of agricultural product. This shows that the student have a high level of trust and knowledge. Agribusiness students' knowledge about e-commerce in the field of online sales of agricultural products seems to be very little. Many of them only know the most famous. This is Tiny Hub. They don't know too much about the number of others. And then they do not know too much about the number of other e-commerce due to level promotion or service from uh, other e-commerce that has not displayed its performance in the public, so it has not been able to attract many consumers. And then agribusiness students have great appeal to the online transaction process of agricultural products, indicated by the tone agribusiness students who have undergone the sales process, contribute to buying and selling, and then promote, introduce to the community directly e-commerce in agriculture, and prepare agriculture product to be market through of e-commerce. With this, the attitude of agribusiness student with the online sales of agricultural product is very good. And then student perception of online sales of agricultural product is almost same as Julia's 2020 research on farmers' perception of Rego Pantas application as a support for Go Online Farmers Program in Wonokerso Village, Limpung Batang, where there is an educational role behind the perception and knowledge of students. And then in contrast to the result of studies on the perception of hydroponic vegetable farmer to the online marketing system in Jambi, which showed that there is no relationship between perception and attitude. And then research on the perception and attitude of agribusiness towards the online self can be combined in other studies by putting forward modernity. And in the conclusion, the perception and attitude of agribusiness students towards the online self of agricultural product is good and significant. And then the implementation, this research is useful for students and company managers, and the recommendation for the next study researchers can prefer the right respondents and filter again the respondent who have filled out questionnaires. Thank you. This is my references. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.